to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make slip stitches and how to fasten off your work once you are done. The most commonly used abbreviation for slip stitch is SLST, and this is the symbol. It is just a dot. I have here with me 3 rows of 10 DC. To make the slip stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now pull this loop through the loop on your hook. Let me show you again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now pull this loop through the loop on the hook. Keep working like this, and at the end of the row I will show you how to fasten off your work. I have reached the very end of the row. Now to fasten off your work, all you have to do is make a chain 1. Now cut off your yarn and pull the loop out and tighten the stitch. So this is how you fasten off your work. So that's it for today. Keep practicing these stitches, and in the next video I will show you how to change colors, attach new yarn and weave in your ends. Happy hooking!